Hey guys and dolls, Jane Smith back with another bloobity blee. Good morning, Jane Smith back with another review. This time from Carl's Jr.'s, and this is freaking embarrassing. This is a $5 sandwich. Look at this. This is the waffle sandwich. Look at this. That's the other half. Can you believe this? Really? Should just take it back, honestly. And look at the big size of the chicken breast. Sure, that's nice and big. It's full of gooey maple butter sauce, but really? This is supposed to be a sandwich. This makes me mad. This really kind of ticks me off. But you know what? I am going to go ahead and review this, because I am not going back right now. This is pathetic, and they should be ashamed. And I am going to post it to their website and let them know how awful this is. This is pathetic. Alright, I'm going to give it a shot. Maple butter with the chicken. Let's see. That is strong, too, because I could smell it a block away. Okay. It's a strong flavor, and it's a good flavor, but seriously, how is that supposed to be a bun? And that. You know? That's, tasty as all get out, but really sad at the same time. You know, so if you don't care, get one. That's $5. $5 for basically a chicken breast. With stuff on it. So yeah. An extremely embarrassing, but damn tasty sandwich. Where do you go from there? I don't know. Good luck. That's all I can tell you with this baby. It's tasty. If you just don't care, get one. You know, but they've really got to step up their game with this bun, waffle, whatever it is. Because it is a disaster. The waffle part is just... Yes, I keep eating it because it's good. Super good. Super tasty. But logistically a nightmare. And super small for $5. Alright, that is it from everyone here in the Smith household, including... Aw, look at the baby. Look at the face. That's Foxy. He's a little love. He's a good boy. He'll probably get something yummy. Alright, that's it. I'm out. Have a great day. Love you guys. See you later. Take care. Bye-bye.